shortlisting or reducing the number of supplier base into single source, and we have to choose and select the best supplier per line item using the SPEAR program or the supplier performance evaluation and appraisal review. There should be a team measuring and monitoring the performance of all suppliers and eliminate non-compliant suppliers in terms of quality, service, price, and value-added services. Procurement is a technique used in streamlining your purchasing organization. If you agree, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Prof. Ray Dev. Shukran.